YouTube family, welcome back to my kusina. Yes, it's been a while, so it's me again, your friend in the kitchen, Roslyn. So in this video I'm going to show you the unplanned recipe, guys, because I'm going to use up the ingredients, whatever ingredients I have in the fridge that need to be eaten up. Last week I bought these 3 bunches of asparagus for only $5, so I have to cook them. So this is just, I think, 15 to 20 minutes. This is a very fast recipe because pasta is fast to cook, right? So yeah, let's start cooking. Okay, so let's start boiling our pasta. So I already I boiled the salted water here and it's already boiling. So we're gonna add in our pasta. So by the way, guys, I'm using the leftover linguine pasta. You can use spaghetti or any pasta that you like that you think suits the ingredients. Suits with the ingredients. Okay, so let's add the pasta. While the pasta is boiling, let's cut up some of the ingredients. So I have a bunch of asparagus. So in cutting asparagus, we have to cut the peel part here because there's a tendency that this one is hard or woody. Yeah, so this is hard, so sometimes it's hard to tell using the knife, so I just use my hand to see. It's easy. Or just simply use knife as long as you cut the end, the peel part. So you have to discard the peel part. So let's cut the asparagus into 2 inches. And set it aside. I also have a handful of green beans or French beans or Baguio beans in Philippines, that's how we called it. And yeah, so take off the end parts, cut the end part. Right, next is our cherry tomatoes. So I think this is 200 grams because I use up some of them. And guys, when it comes to cooking, I love to use lots of veggies in it. So you can do it without tomatoes or with tomatoes. I find that with tomatoes is much better. I mean, the taste. I also have this Italian parsley and I want to use it up all. It's like, this is like a bunch of Italian parsley. When it comes to herbs, I like to use a lot because of their good benefits in the body and also makes your dish delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up the stems together. I'm gonna use up the stems. Okay, so we also need 2 cloves of garlic minced, and also we need one lemon zest. So this is the one. So you have to finely grate the skin of the lemon. We need the juice of half lemon later. Also, I have this parmesan that really need to be eaten up. So because I had this parmesan since last year. So our pasta is cooked, and be careful not to overcook your pasta. Right, so before draining the pasta, guys, I usually set aside some of the pasta water, like 2 cups, but I don't think I'm gonna use it all. But you know, I use this to make the pasta a little bit saucy. Run the water, cold water. Green beans and asparagus doesn't need much of time to cook, guys. As long, you know, for me, the sign that they are cooked is once they turn into like dark green. And just only a few minutes left, maybe just a minute. This one need to cook more. So we need to simmer it for maybe 1 minute, another minute before adding our pasta in. Okay, so it seems that they are cooked now and almost ready. Let's add in the juice of half lemon. Stir well to combine before adding our pasta. This looks really delicious. Let's add our pasta, guys. To sprinkle more salt. Put lots of black pepper. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned from this video, and if you try this recipe after you cook, just tell me, like comment down below if you like it and if you think that you need to put something else. Okay, so just tell me, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below. I love to read your comments, and you can comment, just give me a comment if you want me to cook something different that you recommend. You recommend a recipe for me to cook, so I'd love to do that for you. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe here. It's my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for all my subscribers for supporting my every time I have a new upload. So thank you so much, YouTube family. And yeah, to all of you guys who are watching this video, thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Bye.